Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix storage space bug after updating to iOS 17. If you're experiencing storage space issues on your iOS devices after updating to iOS 17, here are some general tips that might help you. First of all, you have to do is simply check storage usage. You have to go to your settings, then go to general, now go to iPhone storage. To see a breakdown of how your storage is being used, this can help you identify which apps or types of data are taking up the most space. After this, then you have to do is delete unnecessary app and data. Remove apps you no longer use and delete unnecessary photos, videos, and other files. This can free up significant storage space. After this, then you have to do is clear your Safari cache. You have to go back, then tap on Safari. Scroll down until you see Safari. Sorry, I think I missed it. Scroll up, tap on Safari, scroll down. You can see your option clear history and website data. Simply you have to tap on it. Now tap on close all tab and tap on all history. Now tap on clear history and done. After this, then you have to do is simply offload unused apps. Enable the offload unused app features in settings. From this will remove apps you don't use frequently but keeps their data. To do this, you have to simply open your general, tap on iPhone storage, and from here, like I am tapping on CapCut, you can see the option offload. You can see here written this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Installing the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. You can also try this step. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is just simply check for software updates. Ensure that your device is running the latest version of iOS 17. Software update may include bug fixes and optimization that can improve storage management. So you have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying, oh sorry guys. So guys, after trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to open your settings again, tap on your general again, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.